months after the Boring company was chosen as a finalist in an offer for Chicagoâ TMS fast travel burrow, the workplace of Mayor Rahm Emanuel affirmed on Wednesday that Elon Muskâ TMS Boring company has been constructed the express prepare that will associate Oâ Hare International Airport with downtown Chicago. The Rama California-based burrowing startup beat out a field of rivalry, including finalist Oâ Hare Xpress LLC, a consortium that incorporates members from Meridiam, Antarctica Capital, JLC Infrastructure, First Transit, and UK-based Mott MacDonald, the planned build for Londonâ TMS Heathrow airplane terminal. Musk and the mayor of Chicago are relied upon to formally report the proposition on Thursday, as indicated by the Chicago Tribune. Task specifics for the fast travel framework presently can't seem to be discharged. In any case, a portrayal for the venture, initially sketched out in the underlying request for qualification by the Chicago Infrastructure Trust, requires a framework that will improve transportation between Oâ Hare International Airport and downtown Chicago by giving quicker, more straightforward, and more solid administration. The Boring company TMS travel framework, likely as underground fast passages, will come as an alleviation to the explorers who as of now burn through 40 minutes or increasingly and pay as much as $60 for movement by taxi from the Loop, Chicagoâ TMS downtown focal business locale, and Oâ Hare International Airport. Travelers will have the capacity to movement at rapid between the two goals in as meager as 12 minutes and at a cost of $20 to $25 per trip. Notwithstanding giving a truly necessary express transportation to Oâ Hare, Boring company won't depend on citizen support to finance the venture, as sketched out in the proposition. The absence of money-related help from the city makes the multi-billion-dollar venture more aggressive than it as of now is. We put forward a really aggressive proposition for quick administration from downtown to Oâ Hare at no open cost, said Deputy Mayor Bob Rivkin, including, one is proposing a more customary fast rail benefit. The other is proposing a passage benefit. Cost segments will be extraordinary. In any case, the city won a TMTB on the snare for